Alright, today we are going to talk about what I did to install a aerial antenna up on my grandparents' house and roof. So let's get up to it. Alright, let's just climb up there. So we have roof that's about this deep. As you can see, we have an open field this way towards north, and that's where we get the best channel, or most of the channel, except the channel that we really care about, but it get NBC pretty well. So this is in the rural area of Oregon. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I gotta speak a little bit louder because it's windy, and so I'm not sure if the audio can pick me up or not. So over here we can see we're using the DirecTV post. We took the mount off the thing, we repurposed it. As you can see, this is actually from the arm. As you can see, we cut this part out, otherwise it would be sticks going that way. So we cut that out. We put the post right here. I mean me and my grandpa, and then we tie this back up and like this. So after climbing so many times of this roof, I kind of no longer be intimidated about it. So I'm just kind of got used to it. Over here is the antenna, as we can see. At first, I think I was pretty scared like a chicken, but now I kind of got used to it. Alright, so we built it like how they had it, just adjust it, to the way that we need it. And it is a little crooked this way, but it's good enough for us. We run the ground cable, we run the coaxial cable. We do not have a amplifier on this, just because we did get the amplifier for free, but it really didn't do any difference. So, and this is how we ground the thing over here, or the ground cable. We just screwed it right in here. I know that's probably not the right way, but I think we should be good because it is connected to the metal and it is connected to the screw. And over here we have a broken leg, so we can't really we didn't really know how to ground it, so we stuck a piece of the ground cable into it, so it kind of serve as grounding this thing. So that's kind of like a double grounding over here. We was going to ground it right here, but it clearly didn't work out because we didn't have, it would just keep falling out, so that's not gonna be good. And the other thing is, this thing is overall pretty good. We had it installed about less than a week, and so less than a week we tested out. It isn't that much different from the rabbit ear that we have in this location before. So, but I'll show you this versus that. Alright, so I came down to show you what we have before. And so right here is the new one, and right here is what we have. This is my grandpa decided to do this, and so it worked out alright. It works out pretty good, but as you can see, it definitely can come off now. But I thought when I first saw it, that was just we call a interesting way to do things, but we got accomplished. So anyway, that's basically it. This thing does work, and that thing does work too. So anyway, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Enjoy the beauty outside. Peace on the street, son.